Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to record video from both front and back camera in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So by default we don't have such option to record video from both front and back camera in iPhone or iPad. So for this what you need to do is just open the App Store. And in the App Store, just search for one application name as Double Tech. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it and tap on Install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on Open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just click on Accept. Click on Allow the camera permissions. Click on OK. Click on Allow the audio permission. Click on OK. Now click on Continue. Now you can see here floating window appearing. So you can change the different camera. So you can see here the different camera position. And below you can see some options. Say if you tap on the left icon at the bottom, you can change the lens depending upon which lens you want to choose. You can choose different lenses like ultra wide, wide. Even you can choose the front camera, that is the selfie camera. So depending upon your needs you can choose it, and once you're done with your settings, click on Confirm. Then it will use the respective camera lenses from both front and back camera. You can use both the back camera if you have a multiple back camera like the wide, ultra wide or telephoto, whatever lens. And at the right bottom you can see a circle separate icon, that is for record. You can just click on it and you can keep recording, and you can drag this other camera lenses here. But the sad part here is that you can't interchange the camera lenses while you are recording, so there is no such option. You can just maximize the floating window and you can just minimize it. That's all you can do while you are recording using this application. And once you're done, just tap on it and your recorded video will be saved on the application itself. So you can see here. And in order to save this recorded video in your phone internet storage, what you need to do is, you can see below tick mark. Just tap on it and choose your respective video, and say you can see here like a upload icon at the bottom. Just tap on it, and now just tap on this save video. Click on OK. Now it will get saved to your photos applications. You can see here. So if you want to interchange both front and back camera while you're recording, then you can do one thing. Just open the App Store and just search for one application, Double Cam, and you can see below Double Cam. Just tap on it. You can just install this application. Now tap on Open. Click on OK. So now here, a good thing is that while you are recording, you can interchange here the front and back camera. So once you are recording, so I'm recording right on right. So on the above you can see one camera interchange icon right appearing. You can just tap on it. So you can see here you can interchange right. So once you're done with your recording, just tap on stop recording. Click on allow access to the photos. It will automatically get saved to your photos applications. So using these applications you can easily record video from both front and back camera in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool applications, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.